tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for all you creatives and small business owners out there. I'm super excited to share with you my review of the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer, a game changer for custom apparel and home studios. This incredible device is packed with innovative features that will take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm here to dive into all the details. First off, let's talk about the A3-size DTF printer, which allows you to produce larger transfer designs and handle more demanding garment printing projects. This is a total game changer for small businesses and creators looking to expand their product range. With the A3 printing area, you have greater flexibility to create custom apparel that truly stands out. Imagine being able to print vibrant, high-quality designs on a wide range of garments, from t-shirts to hoodies, and even larger items like tote bags or pillowcases. The possibilities are endless, and the K13 Lite makes it all possible. Another feature that really caught my attention is the ability to pair the K13 Lite with Procolored's smokeless oven curing unit. This combination is a total win for anyone working in a home studio or indoor production space. The smokeless oven reduces odors and airborne fumes compared to traditional curing setups, creating a more comfortable working environment. This is especially important for those who work long hours or have sensitivities to strong smells. With the K13 Lite and smokeless oven, you can focus on creating amazing custom apparel without worrying about the hassle and health concerns associated with traditional curing methods. Now, let's talk about maintenance, because we all know how frustrating it can be to deal with clogged print heads and dried up ink. The K13 Lite is equipped with LiteHead Technology, which simplifies maintenance and reduces service complexity. The automatic cleaning functions prevent clogging and ink drying, allowing you to maintain stable performance with less manual intervention. This is a total lifesaver for beginners and experienced users alike, as it saves you time and hassle in the long run. With the K13 Lite, you can focus on creating and printing rather than worrying about the technical aspects of upkeep. The K13 Lite also features smart protection and stable white ink flow, thanks to the infrared printhead safeguard system and automatic white ink circulation system. This means that the printer is constantly monitoring the printing area for any potential issues, detecting film warping and foreign particles as small as 2 millimeters. Meanwhile, the automatic white ink circulation system runs every 30 minutes to prevent sedimentation and ensure smooth, consistent printing. This level of protection and precision gives you total peace of mind, knowing that your printer is working at its best and producing top-quality prints every time. Last but not least, the K13 Lite boasts professional color accuracy with smart software. With G7 certified color accuracy, optimized color curves, and Procolored Studio Lite software, the printer automatically detects RGB and CMYK image formats and applies calibrated color profiles. This ensures accurate color reproduction from screen to fabric, making professional quality printing accessible even for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the K13 Lite gives you the tools you need to create stunning, vibrant prints that will impress your clients and customers. In conclusion, the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse for custom apparel and home studios. With its A3-size printing area, smokeless oven compatibility, LiteHead technology, smart protection, and professional color accuracy, this printer is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. If you're ready to unlock your full creative potential and start producing stunning custom apparel, be sure to check out the K13 Lite. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Let's get creative and take the world of custom apparel by storm.